Hey, wanna take screenshots on your iPhone 16? Let me show you how. And for that we have two ways. The first one is really simple and basic. We just need to press and hold at the same time the volume up and the power buttons, just like that. And the screenshot is taken now. We can select it immediately, and here we can use this pen icon to draw something on the screenshot. We can also remove it, change the color here. We can also remove the changes using this arrow to go back. We can send the screenshot immediately to any person we want, to any app, and also we can delete it immediately using this bean icon. And if you want to save it to the gallery, you just need to tap the done button and select this section Save to Photos. Great. And now the second way, we can take screenshots with the help of Siri. So let's trigger Siri first. For that I'm gonna press the side button. Hey Siri, take a screenshot. And the screenshot is taken. So that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.